According to the World Bank, 58% of all micro, small and medium enterprises in Africa are women-owned. However, majority seen as less profitable and less capital-intensive, and banks finding it risky to lend to them. This, according to experts, must change.
What is important is to make that access possible and equitable, so that whether you are a man or a woman, you can actually walk into that bank, present your project and be funded. So at this stage, what we need are regulations, rules and programs which make it easy for women to access this money.
Stephen Asimwe is the executive director, the Private Sector Foundation of Uganda. He says more funding through development partners is now being channeled into closing this gender financing gap.
But long term, we are suggesting that actually the women can actually have a bank of their own, so that it is easy for them to identify, to remove the stigma. Fortunately now, many women have gone to school, they have university degrees, diplomas, and under another project we call Skills Development Fund, we are now getting the women to understand how finance works.
This during activities to mark Women's Day, supported by the Private Sector Foundation, MasterCard and financial institutions, where we also met a craft entrepreneur.
I've ventured so much in different markets in Uganda and out of Uganda. So the biggest challenge was exporting. I didn't know how to do it, but I decided to try it out, and that was the biggest challenge because there was a lot of expenses.
Women need to move money, they need to access credit, they need to actually educate their children. So we designed a program for the young women where they can access up to 5 million unsecured, but they are organized in a group.
These activities should, according to organizers, go a long way to help women overcome challenges such as financial illiteracy, lack of leadership skills, and business continuity plans.